In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scalp like a ninja. So enjoy today's video. First thing you have to remember, I've been doing this for 8 years. Every single day since the day I started my trading career, I have been scalping, okay? I didn't watch some video and magically learn this skill. I had to self-teach myself. No one else taught me this apart from myself, okay? So just remember that. I started my trading career many years ago with binary options. It's where I made most of my money. And binary options, if you don't know, it's like a buy or sell with a set expiry time. But the only way to make money in binary options was to have a high win ratio. I had to consistently win trades, consistently. So at the time, I naturally had to learn fast-paced trading, okay? Then binary got banned. Then a BD member called Mark Borlin joined me. You'll probably know Mark, and he's probably watching this video as well. And me and him were kind of reluctantly didn't want to quit binary. We're making so much money in binary. We're like, yeah, we don't really want to move over to Forex. But we knew we had to. So we had to basically take our skills from binary into Forex, okay? And essentially, that's why I am very good at scalping. Is it something you can learn too? Yes. Now, there is no positives and negatives to scalping, swing trading, or anything like that. It's just down to your personality, okay? And you have to remember that. Don't let anybody in trading brainwash you into thinking that you need to do this way because that way doesn't work. Anybody that makes money in trading, a lot of money, okay, will understand that there are millions of ways to make money. Millions of ways, right? At the end of the day, it's all about making money. There is no right and wrong way. And if somebody is trying to feed you their beliefs that this is the only way you can trade and that way doesn't work, they probably don't make money, because anybody with a brain understands it's just probability, okay? So what I'm doing here is no different, it just suits my style, okay? The other option, you got scalping and then you've got swing trading. Swing trading is where you hold trades. For me, I don't necessarily like holding trades for long periods of time. No reason why. There's no conspiracy theory. There's no positives and negatives. It's just doesn't suit my personality. I just like getting in and out. That is it, right? And that's what you need to do. You need to do what works for you. And you know why? Because if you enjoy trading, you're going to put more effort into it. You're going to enjoy it more. You're going to find it more rewarding. And ultimately, your life is going to be better, okay? If you are winning trades, you are going to be far more happier. And in life as well, you're going to be a better husband, better wife, better friend. You're going to walk around being happy, even if only you win $10. Even if you win $10 a week, that is more than enough, right? You'll be happy, won't you? Because you're winning trades, right? So that's kind of me. I want to win trades. I want high win ratios. I want to be in and out of the market. That's me. I don't like losses. There's strategies out there where they have like a 1 to 10, so you lose 9 trades, you win the last trade, you make money. That's great. But nobody wants to be on the charts losing trade after trade after trade. It's disheartening, it's depressing, and if you're learning, it's not a good way to do it. If you are winning, doesn't matter if it's 5 pips or 50 pips, a win is a win. It's going to make a massive positive impact for you and your trading and your personal life. Nobody likes a negative person, right? So be positive. So this is essentially how I scalp, Mogwai reversal strategy, okay? Now, again, it's not rocket science. It's just simple, okay? We're going to go over some trades that we've took today, okay? Well, I say I took today. I actually took Euro USD today with the BD members. I'll show you here, which we'll cover as well. That's the first MACD arrow after London Open. If we just look into the Mogwai reversal, and we go up here, hold on here, my screen's just about to shut off. There we go there. You can see that we took this trade together. I'm currently doing a funded account with the members. So I'm doing a funded account specifically on London Open. As you can see, all the trades, that's the trade there. Everyone else took it, as you can see. TP hit, London Open, Euro USD, as if someone's named it London Open. There you go there. Everyone just took the same trade as me. I mean, literally everyone took the same trade as me. I'm sure there is some results up here. If I scroll all the way up, best of luck. I'm done today. 2% regardless. 2% today. Took TP hit. 1-to-1. 2% made. 1-to-1. Yeah. So essentially, that's the setup there. Okay, but this is how I scalp. This is kind of my tips and tricks, and this is what you should do too. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. Okay, the first one you have to remember, if you're going to be, you want to become an expert on the charts, you have to realistically, if you're learning, you want to be trading the 1 and 5 minute time frame. The reason why I say that is because the more you are in trades, the more trades you are taking, the more you are in trades, managing those trades, setting your stop loss and take profit, the better you will become at trading. Okay, chart time is everything. So don't think that trading like the 1 hour time frame and waiting for signals to appear or marking up levels and then waiting for price to touch these levels before taking a trade. Stuff like that is a very slow process. You're not going to learn. What you want to be doing in your early stages is to literally spend your time on the 1 and 5 minutes just in trades. Learning the psychology, learning what it's like to win trades, lose trades, get stopped out, move your stop loss to break even, get stopped out, lose money, blow an account, double your account. You have to be in these situations. So the more you are in trades, the better. Okay? So what I would definitely recommend is focus on one currency pair. Okay? The reason being is because statistically and the probability, you are going to be consistent. Like I proved it in my recent videos, London Open. You just take the first arrow, you consistently win, right? It's not a conspiracy theory. It's not some holy unicorn. It's just probability. Stick to one currency pair. Focus on it and you will understand and you'll start to learn, right? So let me see here. As you can see, look at what I can see on the charts. It's not complicated. We're above the moving average, right? So obviously we're perhaps looking for buys. Hold on, let me just, okay, I'm back, sorry. Okay, so you see how we've created a higher high, previous high, right? It's clearly going up, right? There's the low. This is the new low, perhaps, right? It's clearly, this is an uptrend. And you're not going to learn this if you're not watching the charts, okay? You got to learn. If you want to be a pro at scalping, right? Because everyone always asks me, is like, oh, Jamie, I'm going to enter this trade. And I'm like, yeah, I'm already in and out of it. I've already made money. And they're like, how are you so quick? How are you so quick? Because I focused, right? You see how price has created a higher high? I already know, right? You see this little level here? Right now, obviously, I kind of know this setup's going to win, but obviously I have to simulate and backtest a setup that wins, okay? Or I'll simulate one that loses, but I have to definitely simulate a setup, okay? Always pointless making this video because you'll be like, oh yeah, there's no setups, waste of a video, right? So as price goes up here, now you see how it's coming up here, right? Now, look, stop. See now what I'm seeing. I see a higher high, okay? I see a previous high, right? I see the previous high before that one. I see an area of structure, okay? Look at the MACD. You see how the MACD's gone oversold? If I can do it bar by bar. Watch this, right? I'm just going to show you exactly what I do, right? If I slow it down there, right? Oh no, I'll do it one bar, like there we go there, right? So you see here, right? Look, watch the MACD. Watch the MACD. See how it's starting to cross now? Right? Now look at what we're doing. We're right at this level. Right at that level. So I'm already like ahead of everyone. Everybody's like, oh, set up on gold. I'm already in. Like I already know. I'm already ahead of it. Right? Now watch the MACD start to turn. Yeah, watch the MACD start to turn. You ready? Look, ready. Bang. See? Watch this. Look, now if I zoom in here, you see how the MACD, we've just gone above the EMA, the TCA line. See how the TCA line's red there? Obviously green, uptrend, red. Watch this. The next candle, right? Watch this. I mean, see how serious I was, but watch the next candle. You ready? Bang. I'm already 2 steps ahead of that. 2 candlesticks I was already 2 steps ahead. I knew that was going to happen. And I've been saying it a lot. There's a big difference between your first Mogwai signal and your 1000 Mogwai signal, right? You have to learn this, right? And this is what I'm trying to say. This is confidence building. This is building experience. This is building, patience, discipline. I'm already ahead. Now I look at this here, right? And I've already pre-planned where my stop loss is going to be. Here, below this swing low, okay? Why is it going to be there? Because it's in a sensible place. And this is what I say to everyone when I take this trade right now. My main objective with this trade is to win it. That is all. I don't want to be, I'll go for a tight stop loss and a big risk reward, because then you're asking to get stopped out. I'm not going to go for a 1 to 10. My main objective is to win this trade. I don't care if I win it by 2 pips, 5 pips, 100 pips. A win is a win. It will help you psychologically with your learning if you win this trade. If you get stopped out on this trade now because your stop loss is too tight, or you're not managed it properly, there's a problem, right? Because then the next trade, you're now forcing the next trade, right? You start having that doubt. Am I doing the right thing? Am I not? Was it just a loss? I'm not sure. Was I doing the right? So the main objective is to win this trade. So I'm going to put my stop loss here, right? 280 pips, okay? Now I'm going to target the top. Hopefully that's 280 pips, okay? Look, it's over 1 to 1, 360 pips. So as this trade starts going up, right, see here, bang. Now I'm already in the trade. Everybody's going to start calling me this trade. Oh, Jamie, there's a trade on gold. I'm already in. Look, by the time everybody's looked at it, bang, I'm already like, yeah, I'm already in the trade, right? Okay, let me see if I can make it a little bit quicker. There we go there, right? Bang. Now, managing the trade. Everyone always asks me, how do I manage? Again, my main objective is to make consistent profits, right? But at the same time, I have to be sensible, right? There's no point going, taking a trade, risking 5% of my account to make 0.2%. Has to be sensible. But again, you have to treat every trade in a unique way. There's no such thing as a mechanical way, because I might say something's mechanical and you will say the complete opposite. It's subjective, okay? Remember, every single day you are taking trades at different times, different spreads, different volatility on different currency pairs, different news events. Spreads will always constantly change, right? To give an example here, you see how that's only 280 pips? Okay, if I was to look at another time like here, right, just randomly at this time here in the morning, okay, give you an example here, right? You see how that's roughly 280 pips, okay, is just there. You see, for me, 280 pips, if I was to say fixed stop loss 280 pips, 28 pips, but it's gold, it's too tight. It's experience, right? It's just learning. This is what I try and explain to you lot, is that the only person that's going to teach you this is you when you're on your own, right? When you trade with me, it's fun. We all make money. We have a laugh and a joke because you've got me giving you my experience and what I would do. However, when I'm not there and you're on your own, you've got to know what to do. And the only way you're going to know that is by being in that situation, okay? So like I said, my main objective here is to win this trade, okay? So I'm going to target the top of the zone here, right? So now I look at this trade here, right? And now you see how price has, hold on here. Oh, bang. Now, look at this here. Can you see how I've now got a sell arrow and I've got an area of resistance here? Now this here, right? I'm looking at this now and I think, right, what should I do in this situation? Do I take partials? Do I close the entire trade off? Do I hold the trade? And again, people are going to look at this and say, but Jamie, that's negative risk reward, or it's just a 1-to-1. But I don't want to lose this trade. If I'm in profit now, why would I want it to stop me out and lose me? I mean, I would be annoyed. I'd be frustrated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take partials here. I'm going to take partials. When is the best time to take partials? There is no best time. It's when you feel is right. Okay? At the end of the day, okay, I close a lot of trades off early, right? But nobody cares that I close lots of trades off early. Everyone cares about that I have a high win ratio. Everyone's like, how have you got a high win ratio? I mean, where's my phone? Oh, my phone's out there. I'd show you, right? How have I got a high win ratio? And, you know, that's what people care about. They don't care about the fact that I'm closing a lot of trades off early. Like here, what I'd do is I'll close off 80%. I'd move my stop loss up slightly, okay? So it locks in profit. I'm still going to take a slight loss, but it's not a big loss because I've still closed off 80% in profit, right? Anything over this is win, right? So now I'm still in this trade. I'm seeing what happens, right? I'm seeing what happens, okay? Now we've broken this high. You see how we've broken this high here? Oh, I'm terrible at drawing these lines, right? But you see how we've just broken this high? So are we going to go to the upside? Are we going to go to the upside? Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now, bang. Okay, now I look at this trade here. Hold on here. Okay, done. Now, I'm going to exit this trade here. I'm out, done. I've just made over 1-to-1 on this trade. I'm out. Why am I out here? I don't like the fact it's struggling to go higher. Okay? Now, was I right or was I wrong? There is no right or wrong. We made money. That is it. Who cares? There is no right and wrong way to make money. If we made money, that's all that matters, right? If we're passing prop firms, that's all that matters. If we're withdrawing profits, that's all that matters. How we got to that process is irrelevant, right? Look at this trade. Was I right or was I wrong? Yeah, okay, maybe was right. You see, I was right. Okay, I didn't actually know that was going to happen because I have a memory like a brain, like a fish. Okay, but let's just go over this one at the bottom here. Okay, this one at the bottom here, because this one at the bottom down here. Okay, this one at the bottom down here is what a lot of members also took. I'll just show you this exact trade. Hold on here. Unpin. I don't know what this is. Hold on, give me a sec. Okay, you ready? Watch this. So everybody, what is that? That's a beautiful sell. Here we go here, right? So watch this. So this was the gold trade that everybody took, okay? Everybody took this gold trade this morning, right? Again, I missed it, but I'll go over the trade, right? I'll go over the trade for you as well, okay? So same again. Now prices come, let me get rid of this here. Okay, so prices come down. It's clearly in a downtrend now, okay? Remember, I'm watching this currency pair. I'm watching it. I'm not waiting for signals. Now, okay, now I've got a buy signal on the MACD, okay? So I'm expecting a pullback, okay? Now, keep an eye on it. Look at the MACD. See how the MACD is starting to turn now? I'm already know at this point here, I'm going to be getting a setup, right? If I just do it again, we'll do it like this here. You ready? Bang. Now watch, keep an eye on the MACD. Keep an eye on MACD. Stop, just there. You see how we've got, if I just zoom in here, you see how it looks like we've got some kind of like structure level here, just by looking at the candlesticks. You can see the MACD. Watch this again. I will always be 2 candles ahead. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, obviously there, but there. That is literally where I'm entering. There. And I bet you if it's not that candle, it's that one. Bang. See? So I'm already ahead. Right? Now, same again. How am I going to play this? Well, I want to make money on this trade. I don't get stopped out. I want to make money. So I'm going to put my stop loss out of the way. Again, my stop loss on this one is going to be 280 pips. Now, again, 280 pips. Let's go 250 pips. Okay? There we go. Or 25 pips. Nice. It's out of the way. Okay, I'm going to target the bottom of the zone, okay? Now, for me, this one is literally going to be an in and out trade. Why is it going to be an in and out trade? Because compared to this one, there's no structure. You see how there's structure there? Okay, it's almost like break, retouch. See that? Break, retouch. Perfect. Cream of the creme, that setup. This one here, right, there is no structure. There's nothing here. It's like there's nothing there. It's in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to be a bit cautious with this, right? I want to make money on this trade, but I'm going to be a bit sensible. I don't know if this trade's going to go down here. I don't know, right? So, you know, this is why I say be sensible. Take profit when you can. So as now the trade, bang, big sell off there. Now, obviously I'm holding profit. If you've just got this signal sent to your phone, too late. I'm already in. I'm already 5 steps ahead. Right? Now, price comes down here, now here. Now, I'm looking to see this low. If this low gets tapped into. Yeah? Bang. Watch what happens now. Are we going to get a rejection? Okay, bang, done. Now, that's me done. I'm out there. What's that? 1 to 2, 1 to 1. Okay, 1 to 1. I'm out, done. Now, I'm not saying Mogwai signals don't go more than a 1 to 1. They go to like 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. I mean, if you look at this one here, this was yesterday. I mean, give you an example here. Yesterday, let me show you Euro USD that we took today. Obviously, at the minute, all I'm trading at the minute is the first MACD arrow after London Open, right? So, and then the second one. So as you can see here, this is the first MACD arrow. Okay, the first MACD arrow after London Open, okay? Again, 1 to 1, 6 pip stop loss, 7 pip take profit, okay? Did I close this off too early? Well, yeah, clearly I did, okay? Now I've got this set up here. See this here, okay? Is this a trade we'll take? Yeah, okay, you've got an area of structure just there. I don't quite like the fact we've created a lower low and higher low, but, you know, there's a setup there. But let me show you a setup yesterday, right? A setup yesterday. I want to show you it. It was this one here. You ready? Watch this one here. So this was London Open, okay? Yesterday on Monday. And this is like, we took this trade with the members and we got a back-to-back setup. But I want you to understand exactly what I'm doing here. Remember, I'm trading one currency pair. I'm sitting here. I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm looking for on what currency pair. I know when I get a setup. I know everything. It's already pre-planned. Okay? I'm not sitting here reading a book going, oh, this and that. I know exactly what I'm doing. Exactly. And this is what you need to be doing. I can't teach this. You have to teach it yourself. I can show you. You have to learn it, right? So, same again. Price at the minute. Let me speed up a little bit more, yeah? Watch this. You ready? This was a perfect setup. So obviously London Open has just opened. So great, okay? I'm now looking for the first MACD arrow and I'm going to take it. Now the MACD is starting to go overbought. So I already know I'm probably going to get a sell. Okay, there you go there. I am definitely now getting a sell. We have gone overbought. So I'm going to be getting a sell, okay? Where is this sell going to happen? Stop. Just here. Why is it going to happen just there? Because again, look at the MACD. It is starting to turn. Look at the candlestick. I'm already 2 steps ahead. Right? Watch this. You ready? 1, 2. Bang. See? I would have literally entered on that candlestick. On that candlestick. So this is me. London Open yesterday. You ready? This is me, London Open. So I take this trade. And I go with 6 pip stop loss, okay? Let's just go 7 pips, no matter, right? 7 pips, okay? Target the bottom of the zone. Now, for me, my main objective is to win this trade. 1 to 1 in and out, right? However, I actually closed this trade off early. Why did I close this trade off early? Because of this. You see how we've gone oversold now. We've gone oversold, okay? So I'm going to get a buy signal. Now, I don't want to be, and this is what I'm saying. This comes from being in situations like this. You have to ask myself, what am I seeing? I see the fact that we are bouncing off this support line here. Okay? Just there. I'm terrible at drawing lines. I can see that the MACD is just about to give me a buy signal. So I'm going to have to exit this trade. I'm not going to be stubborn. I'm not going to say, no, I need to hold this trade because I need to get a 1 to 1, 1 to 2. The market's giving me a different sign now. I have to exit it. But because I'm getting a buy set up, I can take the buy. Why would I not? Okay, it's created a higher high. Okay, there's the previous high. This is going to be with the trend. So I'm going to exit this sell-off here. Right, I'm going to exit this sell-off here. Literally, I got 2 pips out of this trade. Right? I get my buy set up just there. Again, you see how I knew that was going to happen? It's almost magic, isn't it? Okay, so now you can see, right? Now this is with the trends. You see this? Look, if I just zoom out here, can you see how it's with the trend? Right? So I did the right thing there. I could have been stubborn and held the sell and would have got stopped out, but you know, I'm doing the right thing. I'm being dynamic, as you say. So again, I'm going to put my stop loss, I don't know, 5 pips. Let's go 5 pips, okay? Now, again, I'm going to go for minimum 1 to 2. Now, I know the second MACD arrow goes for 1 to 2. I know that, right, in simulation. However, my main objective is, bear in mind, I've just made I'll actually show you. I'll show you exactly this trade because I took it yesterday. Is that it there? Yeah, this was it here. So this was the sell. That was the buy. Okay, so obviously that's the sell. This is the buy. And you'll notice I closed it off early. The reason being is because I wanted to get my 1% and out. That was it. Okay. Now, obviously, like I said, this trade's with the trend. It will, you can manage this trade properly, right? Again, your target would be the top of here. You want to see if this gets broken. If that gets broken, then you know it's going into an uptrend. And this is what you want to do. Mark the high, mark the low, like this there. High, low, high. Again, I'm terrible at drawing lines, but this is the high here, right? And that's the low. So whatever happens, if it's going down, it's downtrend. If it's going up, uptrend. So at the minute, don't panic. Just sit and wait. Just sit and wait. Sit and wait. Right, what's going to happen? Okay, what's going to happen? Okay, looks like we're coming up to the upside just there. You see that? Now that is a 1-to-1. Done. What are you going to do? Take partials? You're going to move your stop loss to break even? Let's move our stop loss to break even. We won't close this trade off. We'll set this trade at 15 pips, 1 to 3. Okay, we'll manage it. So we want to see this high get broken. Yes, high's got broken. Bang. Are we going to come back and retouch this level here? Watch this. I bet we might do that. I don't know. Okay, but this is what I'm trying to say. Now, do I take more partials here? Do I close off, more money, or do I just hold it to 1 to 3? You have to be in these situations. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I look at that there, right? Hold on, stop. Right, done. That's me out. That is me out. Why? Because I'm getting a sell confirmation now. That's me out. Can you see now how every trade you take is different? You can't be mechanical. It can't be. This is experience, right? And you have to be in this situation. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to loosen up. I want you to have some fun. I want you to enjoy your trading. I want to spend your time simulating this, winning trades. Do not feel disheartened if you're winning trades. I know that's a weird thing to say, but so many people are like, Jamie, I'm only winning kind of slightly or whatever. Yeah, well, it takes time. Build up that motivation, build up that confidence, start winning trades, get that momentum going. And then you can start to push your trades, right? You see what I did on this one? I pushed this one. I would have made like 2.5% or whatever, 3%, whatever, 2%. Doesn't matter. I made money. I made money on every single trade I've showed you today. Some of them closed slightly early. Some of them, like this one here, I closed this sell off early to take a better opportunity. Right? How did I know that was going to happen? I didn't. But this is what I'm saying, is you have to accept that every trade's unique. Sometimes you'll get it right. Sometimes you'll get it wrong. But the main objective when you are in a trade is to win it. Just win the trade. Okay? It's going to help your trading a lot. So I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer. Thank you for watching.